Hello and welcome to the English Speaking Pro podcast. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Are you ready to speak English with confidence? Yes, you can do it. This episode is all about helping you speak English every day. We'll practice easy sentences you can use anywhere. Let me tell you a secret. Practicing a little every day is the key. When you listen and repeat, your English gets stronger. Now, get ready. Find a quiet place. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start speaking English confidently together. Here's our first sentence. My name is Anna. This is how you tell someone your name in English. Simple, right? Let's say it slowly. My name is Anna. Now you. Repeat after me. My name is Anna. Again slowly. My name is Anna. Next, listen. What is your name? We use this when we want to know someone's name. It's polite and easy. Say it with me, slowly. What is your name? Repeat after me. What is your name? One more time, slowly. What is your name? Here's a great sentence. I can speak English. Use this when you want to show you can speak English. The word can is a modal verb, like a helper word. Let's go slow. I can speak English. Your turn. Say it after me. I can speak English. One more time. I can speak English. Now let's try. Can you repeat, please? Use this sentence when you want someone to say something again. The word repeat means to say again. Say it with me, slowly. Can you repeat, please? Now you try. Can you repeat, please? One more time. Can you repeat, please? Listen to this. How are you? We use this to ask how someone feels. It's a very common greeting, like saying, hello. Let's say it slowly. How are you? Repeat after me. How are you? Again, slowly. How are you? Here's an answer. I am fine. Thank you. This is a polite way to tell someone you feel good. Fine means you are okay or good. Say it with me. I am fine. Thank you. Repeat after me. I am fine. Thank you. One more time. I am fine. Thank you. Let's try this sentence. Can you help me? When you need something, say this. The word help means to give support or guidance. Let's say it slowly. Can you help me? Your turn. Repeat after me. Can you help me? One more time. Can you help me? Here's our last key phrase. Thank you very much. This is a very polite way to say thanks. The word very makes your thanks stronger. Say it with me slowly. Thank you very much. Repeat after me. Thank you very much. One more time. Thank you very much. Let's practice. Imagine you meet a new friend. What do you say? You smile and say, My name is Anna. Then you ask, What is your name? Your new friend speaks softly. You say, Can you repeat, please? Now, you both smile and say, Thank you very much. See, you just used real English. Practice makes perfect. Let's review our sentences. I'll say each one. You repeat after me. My name is Anna. What is your name? I can speak English. Can you repeat, please? How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Can you help me? Thank you very much. Great job. You're doing amazing. Let's keep practicing together. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to English Speaking Pro podcast. New lessons every week. Listen every day. Even 5 minutes helps you speak better English. Remember, you can do it. You are learning. You are growing. I believe in you. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time, and keep speaking English confidently. Goodbye, my friend.